Hey guys, this is Cody at BDS. I'm a tech here. We're working on a 2021 Ram 1500. We're putting on a 6-inch lift today. Once we get it done, I'm going to take you along for a ride. All right, so now that we're driving the truck, I want to talk to you about a few things I like about our lift system. First thing, we have high clearance cross members on here now, and they're made out of thick material, so they're nice and sturdy. There's several points that they tie into the frame. You're not going to have issues with weakness with these. It repositions the lower control arm, so that way you get factory angles on your CVs, and that comes out to a better ride quality and longevity of parts. All right, the next thing I like is we replace the factory aluminum knuckle with our heavy duty cast iron ductile knuckle, which it corrects the angles of the upper control arm, so that way you're not gonna wear out your ball joint on the top, and it's a lot stronger than the factory one. And with our knuckle, it also repositions the tie rod, so that way you have a better angle and get a factory feel of steering. With this kit, you can run the factory upper control arm, but we do offer one of our control arms that is bigger and heavier duty. It's made out of thick wall DOM tubing, and it has a serviceable ball joint. So that way in the future, if your ball joint goes bad, you don't have to replace the whole arm like you would with a factory one. You can replace just the ball joint. And our upper control arm also has a indexed ball joint cup, so that way it works with our lift kit system. So let's talk wheels and tires. With our 6-inch kit, you can fit up to a 37 on this truck, but we ended up going with a 22-inch wheel and a 35-inch tire, and it just brings the whole package together. It turned out really nice. We offer a couple of options for the 6-inch lift. The standard is just the strut spacer for the front, or you can take it to the next level with our Fox Factory Racing Series 2.5 coilovers. We offer two different ones. There's the standard, or there's the DSC. The DSCs are dual speed compression, so you can adjust the compression and the rebound of the coilover. All of this equates to a better control over your vehicle. So this kit comes with a skid plate to also protect your front differential, and it helps tie into that multi-point structure underneath. We also replace your brake lines with heavy-duty braided lines, so that way with the extra droop travel from this lift, you're not going to pop your factory lines. All right, so in the rear we use a 5-inch Pro Ride coil spring to replace your factory spring, which gives you a better ride quality, and it also makes the truck sit nice and level. And then we have custom-made brackets for the upper control arm in the rear to get a better operating angle. We have a bump stop extension bracket, and then we also have a bracket for the rear brake lines. So let's talk shocks in the rear. We have a couple different options. The standard option is our Nitro series, which is a great shock, but if you want to step it up to the next level, we have our Fox IFP Performance Series. And like our Nitro series, these Fox shocks are going to be custom valved for this truck for a better ride quality and performance. So with our 6-inch lift system, it maintains a factory ride quality, which means you're not going to prematurely wear out parts like your CV axles or your ball joints, because everything's at a factory style angle. And with all of our BDS products, we have a no fine print warranty with all non-wear items. If you're out on the trail and you break a control arm or a cross member, just give us a call. We want to hear how you broke it, and we'll send you another one. When lifting a new vehicle, most people are hesitant because it'll void the warranty, which is the case with most other companies, but with BDS, that's not the case. Our lift systems come with the 560 Plus protection plan, which keeps your factory warranty. And if you want to learn more about that, go to 560plus.com. All right, it's been a lot of fun driving this truck around today, talking to you guys about this lift system and all of its features. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to call us, email us, hit us up on social media. Until then, see you next time.